Cooper flag with it. LaMelo Ball, the defender. Cooper trying to take him off the bounce. Got around him. Switch to the right hand.
He has really found control of his game.
Okay, if Khan makes the playoffs, you got to give him Rookie of the Year, bro. Okay. Let me shut up. Let me shut the fuck up, nigga. Okay.
Back attempted. Here comes Cooper, and get ready for something else pretty special.
And one.
Sion James drives around Nembhard.
I just love this, bro. I love this. I love this.
Just looked up at the clock, Harp. We're in the second quarter.
Trey ball. I don't know, bro. I could, bro. Realistically, I could watch Hornets versus Mavs all day. All day. He just did the dirt.
Wow, he missed a dunk, and it's going all the way out to Cooper. The third quarter flips it up and in. Into things, it took about like 1 minute. And that was
everybody was in the hallway.
And he's in the groove tonight.
You know, being in the league and getting to know these guys you work with on a nightly basis.
And here's Cooper inside. He's got 38 points.
When Coop plays younger niggas, he goes dumb.
23 in the second. 15. Incredible.
When he plays his like college boys, he goes dumb. Like Coop is gonna kill New Orleans tonight.
A three would tie it. That's what he takes. Are you kidding me? And if he scores or if anyone scores, the Mavericks take the lead. 8 to shoot. 10 to play. Deflection. Look out. Sion James has saved it in. It's caught against Cooper, and it's a wedgie.
It's caught against Cooper. Yo, I'm crying. That was good, bro. I fuck with that. That was good little hoops.